The World Health Organization is calling on people to wear a mask even if they've been fully vaccinated. Today, Governor Pritzker did just that. Our Capitol Bureau Chief, Mark Maxwell, live at the Capitol tonight. Mark, it looked like the governor was trying to send a message at today's news conference.
Jennifer, Governor Pritzker used words like urgency and imperative to describe the push to get as many people vaccinated as possible. All of this coming as health officials fear the more contagious Delta variant of the coronavirus spreads faster, especially through pockets of people who don't yet have their shot. In Illinois, that's more than 5 million people. We do have 70% of our eligible patient population with at least one shot so far, and 59% of the overall population. But the governor still seemed to suggest that a mask mandate could one day come back. He pointed to Israel, the country that leads the world in vaccination rates, where they just put a new indoor mask mandate back in place. He said, we're not going that far here just yet, but health officials are watching closely for any sign of a new outbreak.
We're all making judgment calls. I think when we leave our home every day, I would encourage everybody, whether you're vaccinated or not, to bring your mask with you.
At this point, it's just overly cautious. I mean, all healthcare facilities, as you saw coming through our building in the healthcare providing area, we wore masks. And when we're in other areas, we don't need to with vaccinated people. I think that there still is caution needed. COVID's not gone as much as we want it to be.
And new tonight, a new political fight over masks in school classrooms. State Senator Republican Darren Bailey writing a letter to the State Board of Education defending a local school district's move, quote, not to follow IDPH guidelines and do what is best for their local kids. Of course, kids under the age of 12 are not yet approved to get the coronavirus vaccine. A letter from the State Board of Education to that school district did say that mask wearing is not optional. The State Board of Education had threatened to take action against that district if the teachers there or the leaders did not enforce the mask rule in the classrooms. Bailey argues the state doesn't have that authority. The House here in Springfield did pass a bill that would allow the state to crack down on districts that don't enforce the mask rule, but it stalled in the Senate. Reporting in Springfield, Mark Maxwell, WCIA 3, your local news leader.
We're going to have to see what happens in the fall. All right, Mark, thank you so much.